Protect yourself from dirt and germs with Gold Coast Maserati's Clean Car Tips. Grab the CDC recommended products and gloves. Make sure to clean high-touch surfaces such as the infotainment touchscreen and audio controls, climate controls, steering wheel, turn signal, power windows, mirrors, locking buttons, seat controls, the gear shifter, seat belts and buckles, sun visors, keys, and even the push-button ignition. Don't forget the fabrics and leather. Make sure to get the carpets, seats, both front and back, and the headliner. If you have children, make sure you clean their toys, car seats, car blankets, and any other items they may touch regularly. Prevent reinfection by keeping hand sanitizer and wipes stored in your car for quick cleaning touch-ups. Regularly disinfect any surfaces that you regularly touch, such as the steering wheel and shifter. Keeping your vehicle clean will protect yourself, your loved ones, and others. For more information, please visit our website.